All right, folks. Well, anyways, before I went and parked, went and I hung out with the kids for a little bit and everything. Um, but I decided I was actually gonna go and get a like a figure. They had a John Cena one, and Joshua likes John Cena, and so I actually went to the dollar store to go pick that up. I saw it the other day, and I hit the bank and everything today, and I was like, "Ooh, I'm gonna go get that John Cena," because I was thinking, I thought about it when I saw it. But of course, now all they have is The Rock, and they don't have John Cena, so well, what the heck. But anyways, while I was there, I decided to grab a little something to eat. They got all that cheap stuff there, and I grabbed this. Hopefully, you guys can see it well. And anyways, it's Jennifer's Garden traditional vegetable spring rolls, and I'm telling you, they're awesome. Here, let me flip you around. Yeah, in case you can see a little better here, this is what they are, Jennifer's Garden, and I pan fried them. I just threw some oil down and cooked them up. I'm telling you guys, they're great. Cooked them on the Coleman over here. It just took a few minutes, and boom, they were excellent. So, anyway, folks, I'm hang here for a minute. I'm contemplating on whether I want to go inside the mall. That's where I'm at right now. I'm at the mall. So, contemplating on going in there for a few minutes before I go and park. And I don't know. I might. We'll see what happens. But anyways, I wanted to share that with you, and maybe I'll try and put some more on this. So I'll catch you later, folk. What's up, folk? I bought another one of these little things from the dollar store here, and I wanted to share with you because it's pretty dang good. So I'm gonna flip it around and let you see it. It's these Papa Luigi home-style meatballs. They're right here. Cooked them on the old stove again here. They're great. They, like 4 of them fit perfectly on a tortilla. I throw some cheese and hot sauce on it, and it's awesome. But anyways, yeah, because I did those spring rolls yesterday, and they were great. And the spring rolls, there are 10 of them that come in the package, which is totally worth it. And with this, there's 14 meatballs. So it's totally worth it. I mean, for $1, come on. And they're not that bad. So anyways, folks, figured I'd share with you. I'll see you later. All right, folk. Did another little bit of cooking. I'm going to share this one with you too. And I made this. This one's pretty good, and I know it's good because my daughter came out and filled a bowl for herself. So I know it's good. Check it out. I'll flip you around. All right. So what I did, it's right here, which is basically it's like a dip. So I did a can of chili. I did some cream cheese, salt and pepper, some hot sauce, and shredded cheese. And it's pretty dang good, and I know it's dang good because my daughter came out and asked for a whole bowl for herself. So, all right, folks, I figured I'd share this one with you, and it's pretty good. All right. Chow time.